Hey guys, welcome to Sma-trendz. Today we're going to be making some delicious lemon quinoa. It is very healthy and delicious. So to start off, you're going to add 1 cup of fresh quinoa into a bowl. Then you're going to clean it with water to make it extra fresh. So make sure to mix it around with your hands and let it all go circulate. Kind of looks like a bunch of sprinkles in water. Really cool. So then you're going to drain it. This makes sure the water goes out and the food stays in. Because we don't need the water, we just need the food for this delicious dish. Then you're going to put it into a pressure cooker. Then you're going to add 2 cups of water. It may look like a little bit now, but after it's cooked, it'll actually get bigger because it soaks in the water. Then you're going to close the lid and rinse it for 10 minutes. After you're done that, you're going to cook it for 3 whistles. After you've heard the 3rd whistle, you're going to open it up and you're going to see the delicious cooked quinoa. Told you it was going to get bigger. And you can see that the water has completely disappeared because it's been sucked in. Then you're going to put it into a plate and you're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil into a separate pan. After it spreads around, you're going to add a few peanuts, a few delicious cashews, a few mustard seeds. Look at them all flying around in there with those big bubbles. And a few green chilies to give a little spicy flavor. And you're going to add a few curry leaves. Then you're going to mix it all together and fry them nicely. This is kind of like a mini mixture we're supposed to add into our quinoa. It gives it the flavor, the color, and totally turns it into the quinoa lemon rice. You're going to add some turmeric powder and turn off the flame because you don't want it to get too hot. Then you're going to add your cooked quinoa and make sure to get every little bit because it is really good. You don't want to miss on anything. And you're gonna mix it around. So as soon as you see that it gets its color and all of those little pieces of food go around, you'll know that it's ready. You're gonna add a little salt and mix it around a bit more. You can make sure it's all nicely together and it's ready. But what is lemon quinoa rice without the lemon? You need to squeeze 1 lemon. Because without it, it's just quinoa rice. So add the lemon, guys. And then there, now it's completely ready to serve, eat, and enjoy. So mix it around a little bit more and then put it on a plate and serve. It is super healthy, super delicious, and super good. You will totally 100% enjoy it. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye!